Good evening, Code Simplifiers family. Behz is here from Code Simplifier Coding School, and I am back with another video series for you, learning HTML and CSS. Before we start, I have a question for you. Have you ever started to learn about HTML and CSS and you are facing too many technical information without understanding where am I going to use this? Where is going to be used and how am I going to use cases? If you've been through the same process, you are not alone. I have been through the same process. What is this video is for people who learn by doing, by actually building something like myself, and that is where the concept sinks and you learn more. That's what I developed this video series is for you, specifically by building something real, which you can see the result of your work and you can get motivated to build more. With that being said, let's focus on what we have done so far. In this video series, I am going to teach you how to build a single portfolio page for mobile devices using HTML and CSS. In this video series, I'll walk you through. I will teach you how to build one component at a time, what it is all about, and by seeing the result of your work and what you learn along the way, which gives you a lot of information and lots of motivation to do more. This is what we've done, and in this video series we are going to learn and use the reverse engineering. What I mean by that is this is what we see and we are going build from the start, and we have a guide, we have a map, we have an end goal to look at it and see how far we came without vaguely just learning and practicing, making simple web pages, and by the end of the tutorials you'll just forget what just had happened. Everything is start fresh. Let's focus on here. This single page is for you, and I'll walk you through it as I mentioned earlier, step by step, one component at a time, and I will hold your hand along the way. If that sounds promising, let's get it started and see what the future brings for us. Thanks for your watching, and I will see you on the next video.